What's up, guys? We're finally back. Welcome back to the channel. And I know I've been gone for a good minute. I haven't posted, I haven't done nothing, guys. I'm here today, guys, to let y'all know what's going on and what's coming, guys. What's coming. There's been a lot going on, guys, and I hope that y'all understand. It's a lot of personal stuff, and a lot of stuff that just had to be done. I had to get a lot of stuff out the way. I had to focus on other things for a little bit, but things are starting to turn around, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know what's been going on, guys. So we didn't go to October Madness because I was working, guys. Nobody really wanted to go out there and ride or hang out, chill. So I was like, why am I gonna go waste my time and be out there by myself bullshitting? So I ended up just going to work. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even fuck with the Tahoe. I didn't do nothing to the Tahoe, guys. And then right after that, guys, in between all that, I got into a car accident, guys. I don't know if y'all could tell. I have like a little scar right here and like right here, and I don't know if y'all could tell, guys. My face is kind of like I don't know if it's peeling or what's going on, but my face was swollen, guys. I was in a real bad car accident. I don't know if y'all guys remember, but y'all probably seen it in the background. A blue Honda, big rust, big blue. That was my daily, guys. That was my daily, and I got into a real bad car accident. I got hit from the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop that picture right here. So I've been hurting, guys. I've been hurting. My face was swollen. My knee was fucked up. My body was really sore. It's been sore. I'm barely getting back to normality. So the car, guys, the car is totaled. It's gone, and I ended up selling the truck. I sold it like right before all that happened, and I actually let it go to one of my buddies. I don't know what he did with it or to it. I don't know. I really haven't kept up with them, with anybody. I haven't really had time. But yeah, guys, I was in that accident, and I've been down, I've been hurting, and then after that, guys, I was in the accident. I got into the hospital. The car got towed. The car, I couldn't find it for a couple days. I finally found it, and everything from the inside, guys, was gone. All my tools, my impact guns, my everything, impact guns, even my work boots, guys. How are you gonna steal somebody's work boots? And tomorrow, guys, we're actually gonna be going out there to the impound lot, and we're gonna be filling out a police report. I already have a whole case going on, because it was a lot of tools. It was all my impacts, my flashlights, my bean saws, screwdrivers, everything, guys. It was in there. I had another jack, a better jack, in the car. It was gone. I had a tint. It was gone. My on the gas sweater, guys, it was gone. Like, what the fuck, bro? Like, how the fuck are you gonna steal somebody else's clothes, like shoes? Like, that's personal. But it's whatever, guys. We're gonna see if we can recuperate all that stuff, and if we can't, well, we'll call it a loss. But I want to let y'all know, guys, that we're gonna be back on the Trailblazer like 100%. And what I'm talking about is tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna be posting this video. I'm posting it tonight, and tomorrow, guys, we're gonna be working on the Trailblazer, and I'm gonna be posting a video on that. Maybe pulling it out from where it's at. Yeah, guys, because you can see, it's already been a while since it's been parked right there, and the grass is actually growing around it already, and I'm like, fuck, it's just going to waste. So I have decided, guys, that that's gonna be my priority right now. You know, I kept on putting it off because obviously, well, I had the truck, I had the Tahoe, and I had the car, so I really wasn't worried about the Trailblazer at all. I was just letting it marinate. But yeah, guys, that's the plan, and I hopefully y'all understand, and y'all can be the judge of it, man. I'm gonna put the picture of the car, and y'all can see how bad the accident was. I want to thank everybody that reached out to me and asked me, hey bro, are you good, are you okay? Everybody that followed me on Instagram and Facebook that reached out to me and asked me, hey bro, do you need anything, man? Especially all my friends that, you know, stopped by and came by and checked up on me, man. I appreciate that from like the heart, bro. Like, I appreciate that 100, and I don't know, guys. I have no words, guys. I have no words. Like, I really, you know, appreciate all that. But my face is going back to normal. My knee is back to normal. My body is not sore anymore. So we're gonna get started on the Trailblazer. We're gonna see what we can do with no tools, pretty much, because I don't have no tools. You know, motherfucker stole everything, and hopefully I can recuperate some. And if not, you know, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit up Harbor Freight. And if any of y'all have any extra tools y'all wanna sell on the cheap, you know, I'll buy it. You know, tools, impact, whatever, the small sockets, big sockets, it don't matter, guys. But I just want to let y'all guys know that we're still here. We're still gonna be making videos, guys, and the Trailblazer is 110%. Let me say that again, 120% back. There's nothing in there. I don't got nothing else to ride, guys. I don't got nothing else in the way. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the Trailblazer, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish it and work on it until it's done. And that's gonna be the mission for this year. Get it done, because look at her, it's just been sitting. But I appreciate all the love, guys, and I appreciate everybody that reached out to me. And I want to say thank you, guys, one last time to everybody that, you know, reached out. But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go, guys, so that can enjoy the rest of the day. Don't forget, God is good. Keep pushing, guys.